Respiratory system in human beings. Objectives. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify the different parts of human respiratory system as well as explain the pathway of air through the respiratory system. Human body is well organized body system constituting of different organs and organ systems. We have already learned that we need oxygen to draw energy from food. To do so, we have a particular system known as respiratory system. Now, let us see the different parts of respiratory system. Human respiratory system opens out with nostrils, which leads its way into the nasal cavity. The inner surface of nasal cavity is lined with mucous membrane that secretes mucus, due to which the surface is moistened. There are some hairs growing inside the nasal cavity that filter the dust particles from the air. When the air passes through the nasal cavity, its temperature is brought close to the body temperature and also become moistened. From the nasal cavity, the air moves into the pharynx, which is a common passage of digestive and respiratory system. There is a small flap-like valve called epiglottis that controls the movement of air and food in their respective passages. We will learn about epiglottis in the next video. As a part of respiratory system, pharynx leads one of its way into the stiff box called larynx. It contains vocal cords. When the air passes through the vocal cords, they vibrate and produce sounds. Larynx continues with the trachea, which is a strong windpipe containing C-shaped rings to avoid foldings. It further divides into two bronchi. Each bronchus enters into the lungs. The lungs are big sac-like structures which is elastic. And bronchi further divides into bronchioles. Bronchioles lead their way into clusters of air sacs called alveoli in the lungs, which are very small and numerous. Gaseous exchange takes place in the alveoli. The oxygen is diffused into the blood, whereas the carbon dioxide is diffused out into the air sacs. Now, let us aggregate the pathway of air. Air enters into the lungs through the respiratory system. Gaseous exchange takes place in the lungs and the resultant carbon dioxide exits out of the respiratory system in the same track. That is, the air enters through the nostrils, continues with the nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchioles, and finally reach the alveoli. In the alveoli, the gaseous exchange takes place and oxygen is diffused into the blood, whereas the carbon dioxide is diffused out into the alveoli. This is how the air enters and passes through the respiratory system in this pathway, whereas the exchanged gas again exits out through the same respiratory pathway. Summary. In this video, we have learned that the respiratory system starts with nostrils and continues as nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchioles, and finally lungs. Lungs are the elastic big sac-like structures which are made up of alveoli, which are very tiny sac-like structures. Gaseous exchange takes place in the alveoli.